If you want your WooCommerce store to deliver products reliably, calculate shipping correctly, and charge the right taxes at checkout, this video will save you a lot of trouble. I'm going to show you how to set up the complete shipping system, including weight-based shipping rules and your tax configuration. By the end of this video, your store will calculate the right charges automatically and be fully ready for real orders. Let's set it up the right way. Start by opening WooCommerce and then going into Settings. Inside the General tab, scroll down and enable the option that allows taxes. Save the changes. Once the page reloads, you'll notice a new tax tab appear at the top. Open it. You'll now see sections like tax options, standard rates, reduced rates, and zero rate. Inside tax options, the first thing you need to decide is how you want e-commerce to handle product prices. To make things simple and predictable, choose the option that says you will enter prices exclusive of tax. This means that if you set a product price to $100, WooCommerce will add the tax on top during checkout, and the customer will see the final tax inclusive total there. Next, choose how your tax should be calculated. You can base it on the customer's billing address, shipping address, or your store's base address. For most stores, using the billing address works best. Leave the shipping tax class on standard rate so shipping follows the same tax rules as your products. Below that, you'll find an option to round taxes per line item or at the subtotal level. Most stores leave this as per line item, but you can choose whichever your accountant prefers. Now, scroll down to the display settings. Here you can decide how you want prices to appear across your site. For example, you can show prices excluding tax on the shop page, but including tax during checkout. Save the changes. Next, open the standard rates section and click Insert Row. Enter your region. For North America, type US in the country column and leave the rest of the fields empty so the tax applies everywhere within the United States. In the rates column, type 18. Decide whether you want the tax on the shipping or not. When you're done, save the changes. If you want to make things clearer for your customers, go back to the tax options page and find the price display suffix. Here you can add something like Inc. tax, or even use WooCommerce shortcodes to show both values. After saving, refresh your shop page or product page and you'll see the updated tax label immediately. Now WooCommerce will automatically calculate 18% tax at checkout for all customers in the United States and display the before and after tax values clearly. Let's move on to weight-based shipping. Start by installing and activating the free plugin called WooCommerce Weight-Based Shipping. Once activated, go into WooCommerce settings, open the Products tab and choose the weight unit you want to use. Kilograms or pounds, both work. Make sure each of your products has a weight set inside its shipping tab. Next, open the Shipping tab and click Add Shipping Zone. Name it something like Weight-Based Shipping North America and select your region. Save it, then click Add Shipping Method and choose Weight-Based Shipping. Edit the method to start adding rules. The plugin usually creates some example rules by default. You can keep them if you like, or delete them and add your own from scratch. Let's create a rule. Enter a label for the method. For example, ShopRocket X Standard Delivery. Set the destination to the United States. Now define your first weight range. For example, from 0 kilograms to 3 kilograms. Leave the cost value as it is for now. Under shipping, choose flat rate and set a base cost of $6.50. Save it and test it on the front end. When you add a lightweight product to the cart, you'll see ShopRocket X Standard Delivery for $6.50 applied correctly. If your cart goes above the weight limit, no shipping option will appear until you create a rule for the next range. Make another rule for 3 to 12 kilograms. Set the cost to $12.90. Save again and refresh your cart to see the updated charges for heavier orders. Now let's configure progressive weight-based charges. Delete the previous rules and create a new one. Keep the initial values the same. Under shipping, choose flat plus progressive. Set a base cost of $5, then add a charge of $1.20 per kilogram for orders above 5 kilograms. You can restrict this rule so it only applies up to 15 kilograms, then save it. Test it on the front end. For products below 5 kilograms, WooCommerce will show $5. As the total weight increases, you'll see the cost climb at $1.20 per kilogram. Once the weight passes 15 kilograms, the method will disappear, which is exactly what the weight cap is supposed to do. You can also offer multiple shipping options for your customers. Inside the weight-based shipping North America zone, click Add Shipping Method again and choose Weight-Based Shipping. Edit it, delete the default rules, and create a new rule called Shop Rocket X Express Delivery. Set it up the same way as the flat plus progressive rule, but give it a higher price. For example, a base cost of $18.90, with a progressive rate on top of that. Keep the weight limit the same. Save it. Now when customers open their cart, they'll see two options. One for standard delivery and another for express delivery. Both calculate prices automatically based on total weight. This gives your customers real-world flexibility and gives you full control over your shipping strategy. With taxes and weight-based shipping configured, your checkout is now accurate, transparent, and ready for real orders. Make sure to double test everything, and if you find any errors, then go back and change the settings inside WooCommerce. I've also linked all the plugin templates and tools that are used in this video down in the description, so you can quickly go through them and import everything you want. See you in the next one.